Today we're going to show you how to wire in the shunt trip accessory for the LC and LI frame. First thing you're going to do, you're going to remove these 4 screws for the front cover. So with that cover off, we can see our shunt trip accessory right here and the 2 terminals, T1, T2. We're going to use these wires as examples. In reality, they're going to be coming from a power supply to operate the shunt trip. And those will be wired in just like this. Your T1 wired. T2 wired, give them a tug test. Make sure your wiring comes out like this. And reinstall the front cover by fastening these 4 screws. And that is how you wire in the shunt trip for the LC and LI square D frame.